Greetings, stackers and stackettes. Today on Silverjack, we're going to talk a little bit about checking the weight of silver. So in order to do that, we need scales. Here's a new little set of scales I purchased recently. These are probably only $15. Plus a little extra change if you get some calibration weights. Those are 50 and 100 gram. This particular little scale here only weighs up to 100 grams. So if you're going to be weighing something a little more beefy than that, then you probably need to get some scales that'll go up a little higher. I like these because they're fairly accurate, up to 2 or 3 decimal places. So let's get started here. First thing I'd like to do is turn the scales on. Make sure it zeroes out. And I'm going to start with a coin we all know. And that's if I can get it out of the case here. Sorry about that. American Eagle. Now, 1 troy ounce exactly should weigh 31.1 grams. And you can see that this eagle here is weighing out pretty close to that. If you're a decimal point above or below just a tad, that's probably pretty close. So American Eagle weighs out very nicely. Here's an old Mexican Libertad. I got out of a display case at a local vendor, and let's check, see how it weighs. 1984, supposed to be pure silver, and look, it weighs almost exactly 31.1, just 1/100th of a gram off. So the Libertad, I really like this coin because it's nice and thick. It's got writing on the edge. I like it. And here's a bar that says 1 troy ounce on the bottom there. You see where it says 1 troy ounce? Well, as we know, a troy ounce is 31.1 grams. This material here is called German silver, which is not silver at all, but a mixture of copper, nickel, zinc, maybe some other things. So let's see how close we are to 1 troy ounce. We're zeroed out. Place the bar on. And guess what? We're over probably 4 and some change grams. And that would be enough to make me suspicious on something that said 1 troy ounce. So it's handy to have some scales around, especially when you're out and about. It's just one of those many checks to make sure when something says 1 troy ounce that it weighs out exactly, and then you can be one step closer to being sure that you have silver. Thanks, everyone, and remember, keep on stacking and don't get jacked.